Fujihome AC DT5E Evaporative Tower Fan is a standout option for anyone living in a compact space. Priced at approximately $140, this model combines modern design, effective cooling, and air purifying features in a single, easy-to-use unit. Its slim tower profile, measuring 12.4 in x 12.4 in x 40.2 in and weighing just 11.5 lb, allows you to place it in a living room, bedroom, or small office without worrying about space constraints. The exterior is made of white polypropylene plastic, lending a clean, contemporary look, while black accents around the LED screen and air outlets add a touch of sophistication. Safety and convenience were clearly priorities in the AC DT5E's design. The air outlet features evenly spaced vertical vanes, reducing the risk of accidental contact with moving parts, a welcome feature for households with children. Its 70-degree oscillation range ensures widespread air distribution throughout a small room. The removable 0.9 gallons water tank is easy to fill and clean, thanks to a simple slide-out design. A transparent water level indicator helps you monitor the remaining water without guesswork. Overall, the thoughtful layout of each element makes daily use straightforward. Just snap the base into place, plug the fan in, and you're ready to enjoy a cool breeze. Inside the box, you'll find the main fan unit pre-attached to a circular base, a remote control, 2 ice packs, and a user manual. Assembly is minimal. Simply connect the base, add water and ice packs for extra chill, and power on the fan. The AC DT5E employs a vertical motor with a wide 18.5 in air outlet, coupled with a high-performance cooling pad. This combination delivers a gentle, natural breeze rather than a harsh gust, which many users find more comfortable during hot summer days. The 65W motor offers 3 selectable airflow modes: low, medium, and high. Despite its modest power, the optimized air outlet and expansive oscillation effectively cool a small group of 2 to 3 people at an ideal distance of around 10 feet. Evaporative cooling remains the core feature of the AC DT5E. Once the water tank is filled, an internal pump wets the cooling pad, and the fan pushes moist air into the room. This process adds humidity and feels particularly refreshing in arid climates, or during midday heat waves. For those who already use an air conditioner, pairing the AC DT5E at night can improve air circulation, maintain humidity, and lighten the load on the AC unit. It may even lead to energy savings, as you can run the air conditioner at a higher temperature setting while still feeling comfortable. Beyond cooling, the AC DT5E integrates an ion generator for air purification. Negative ions help neutralize odors, capture fine dust particles, and promote better air quality. This feature is especially helpful for people with respiratory issues, or those sensitive to airborne pollutants. By combining evaporative cooling and ion-based purification, the fan serves a dual purpose. It keeps you cool and ensures the air you breathe is fresher. The unit also offers a 12-hour timer, allowing you to schedule automatic shutoff, which is handy for overnight use. This timer function not only enhances convenience, but also promotes energy efficiency and peace of mind. The AC DT5E's touchscreen control panel is located at the top of the tower, making it easy to adjust settings with just a light tap. If you prefer to adjust settings from a distance, the included remote control lets you change fan speed, set the timer, and activate the oscillation or ion functions without getting up. Maintenance is similarly simple. Just remove the cooling pad for periodic cleaning, refill the water tank, and replace the ice packs as needed. All necessary parts are designed for easy access, ensuring you spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying cool, clean air. Is the Fujihome AC DT5E worth buying? For roughly $140, you get a sleek, compact, evaporative tower fan that cools, humidifies, and purifies the air. Its modern appearance, user-friendly interface, and lightweight build make it ideal for small apartments, bedrooms, or home offices. The combination of a 65W motor, 70-degree oscillation, and a sizable cooling pad delivers reliable cooling performance for up to 3 people. Meanwhile, the ion-based air filter enhances air quality, a feature often missing in similarly priced models. With a built-in timer and remote control, this fan offers a level of convenience that suits busy lifestyles. In summary, the Fujihome AC DT5E provides an all-in-one solution for anyone seeking to improve indoor comfort without breaking the bank. Its thoughtful design, multifunctionality, and affordable price point make it a strong contender in the sub-$150 range. If you live in a small space and need a reliable way to stay cool and breathe cleaner air this summer, the AC DT5E is definitely worth considering.